In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Trello account. Whether you're new to Trello or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through this process step by step so you can effortlessly access your Trello boards and get organized. First, let's get started by heading over to Trello.com. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL bar Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive design that greets you. Here, the focus is on simplicity and ease, so you'll find the interface quite user-friendly. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. This brings you to Trello's sign-in page, where you have a couple of convenient options to access your account. Now, you might be wondering about the different ways to log in. Trello gives you the flexibility to log in using your email address or your Google account. This is really handy because if you've already connected your Trello account with your Google account, logging in becomes a breeze. Just a few clicks and you're there. To log in with email, simply enter your email address and your password. If you prefer the quicker Google option, just click on the Continue with Google button and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you're not already signed in. Remember, always ensure you're logging in from a secure and trusted device, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. And there you have it. After successfully entering your login details, clicking Login will take you straight to your Trello home. On this homepage, you'll instantly see any boards you've created or have been invited to. This area centralizes your workflow, offering easy access to visualize and manage your projects and tasks. Take a moment to admire the simplicity of the dashboard, which is designed to help you navigate seamlessly. A quick tip for staying logged in and saving time in the future is to make sure the Remember Me option is checked when logging in if it's available. This way, Trello will keep you logged in for future visits, saving you the hassle of entering your credentials each time. I hope this guide has made the process of signing into your Trello account clearer and more approachable. Now you're ready to dive into Trello's features and manage your tasks with ease. If you have any more questions about Trello or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.